Okay, so let's start with Miss Candidate number one. Just pick one, and I will read the question twice. Okay. Inhale, exhale. Wait. Okay. Repeat question number 5. Do you believe being intelligent is more important than being kind? Why or why not? Again, do you believe being intelligent is more important than being kind? Why or why not?
Thank you for the question, sir. I believe kindness is more important than intelligence. Intelligence may open doors, but kindness can touch hearts and builds a genuine connection. In school, a brilliant student can solve equations, but the kind one can inspire classmates and uplifts those who struggles. Because at the end of the day, people may forget how smart we are, but they will always remember how we made them feel. And I thank you.
Thank you so much and congratulations. You nailed it, candidate number 1.
Okay, let's have the candidate number 1 again for the Mr. Laffy 2025. Okay, you pick the question number 15. How do you handle pressure, especially when many people are expecting you to do well? Again, how do you handle pressure, especially when many people are expecting you to do well?
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, judges. Thank you for that wonderful question. Good evening, rather. I handle pressure by turning it into a motivation. Instead of seeing expectation as a burden, I take it as a sign of trust and belief in my abilities. For example, when I was chosen to represent my class, I focused on preparation and self-discipline to give my best. Because pressure doesn't break me, it shapes me into someone more stronger, more resilient, and ready to face anything with grace. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations, candidate number 1.
Number 2, number 2, karon.